Hi, everyone. Welcome to English 102. I'm Jessica Boykin, and pardon I have a blurry background today because I just moved. I have a little bit of a mess here, but I want to go ahead and walk you through our class. And so let me go ahead and share my screen. I'll show you a little bit of what we're going to be doing this semester. So first things first, our semester is organized by project. And so if you look through our Canvas site, if you go to our modules, you can kind of figure out what are the major projects, the major arcs of the class. And hopefully that will help you be able to follow along really clearly. There's also going to be assignment due dates and everything like that to guide you. But so for this first week, it's our Welcome to English 102. We're really just focusing on establishing our goals for the semester, making sure we understand the class. So you can look at our syllabus, which I'm going to show you in a second, our syllabus slides, which are going to kind of quickly go over the information, and then our intro and goals assignment as our first one. This is really all you need to focus on for this week. And then if you want to scroll down a little bit more, you can get detailed descriptions of each of our writing projects. We have a presentation. We'll have a contextual analysis, which is really similar to a rhetorical analysis, a research paper debunking a conspiracy theory, and a multimodal argument and explanatory essay. So if you want to click on any of these, you can get an assignment description for each of them, as well as a rubric that will kind of help you get a good idea of what those projects are going to involve. If you want to go ahead and look at our written syllabus, I've shared it here. I noticed a couple typos and just issues with copying and pasting information. Fortunately, one of you pointed it out to me, so I was able to make some corrections today. One of the major things that I noticed is that I was using an old syllabus and there were reading journals listed in our course schedule. So if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see there's a course schedule down here. I used to have students do reading journals, and I don't do that anymore just because it just doesn't, it's the work that we need to do is more important, is going to be the writing. Okay. But I did go ahead and leave these readings, these old readings that I used to sign in here. So if you did want to do readings, these chapters listed are going to be helpful for writing strategy. And it's mostly going to be kind of review probably, but some of it could be really helpful. And then these other assignments that are linked are going to be related to our course theme. And by the way, our course theme for this class is scams, cults, and conspiracy theories. Okay, and so you don't have to necessarily like write on those topics, but we're going to be framing things through the lens of scams, cults, and conspiracy theories to help us talk about writing concepts and communication, okay? And basically the reason we're doing that, one, is because it's kind of interesting, it's kind of fun, it's a little bit of a different angle. But the main reason is actually because those people are so persuasive, right? Scam artists, or like con artists, people running scams, cult leaders, people who are pushing conspiracy theories, they're really persuasive, which is why so many people, buy into that stuff, right? And so we're going to go ahead and look at some of those as examples throughout the semester. If you want to go ahead and look at a more simplified overview of the class, I did put things together in a slideshow for you. I'm not going to go over everything right now, but because, it's already written down, but just to kind of give you an idea, you can see here's my office hours. I'm going to be in my office Monday and Wednesday from 9 to 10, Tuesday and Thursday from 11:30 to 1, and you can always join by Zoom, especially for those of you who aren't on campus. If you do hop into my Zoom room, please just send me a message on Canvas to let me know, because sometimes it kicks me out and then I don't want to miss you while you're in there. Again, our course theme, our grade overview, and you can see there's no reading journals here. It's going to be process work, which is going to be the step-by-step stuff that we're doing leading up to our papers. Reflections, which are going to be chances for us to reflect, look back on what we've learned so far this semester, but also think about what knowledge we're bringing into the course. And then writing projects is going to be the bulk of it. This is going to be our 4 main projects in the course, which are listed here. You can see we have a presentation. If you want to pair up with anyone in class, you can do that, including, by the way, if it's one of my in-person 102 sections this semester. And basically what you're going to do for this is you're going to choose a scam, cult, or conspiracy theory that you're interested in, and you're going to give a short presentation, pardon me, on that scam, cult, or conspiracy theory. And I'll give you more information about this next week, okay? Or yeah. This contextual analysis, this one we're going to talk about more this week. This is going to be you're going to pick a documentary or podcast to analyze. And then you're going to do that using the rhetorical appeals, which a lot of you have probably done before, ethos, pathos, logos. And then you're also going to be looking at the context in which the documentary was made, which is called kairos. That's the rhetorical appeal. We're going to do, again, a research paper debunking a conspiracy theory, and then also a digital argument and explanatory essay. If you look at these, you can see the kind of the page limit. It'll be 5 pages minimum for the first paper with a works cited, 6 pages for our research paper. And then this final project is going to be mostly a digital project, like a video, a podcast, or some other type of thing that's not a research paper. But then you're going to write a short essay, 3 pages, that are kind of explaining the decisions that you made. We're going to do this in lieu of some sort of final or midterm, right? Just to show me that you've learned the concepts in class well enough that you could do your own arguments. All right, so I would like to keep my videos short. I think I'm going to stop here, but be sure to watch this space. There's soon going to be another video helping you go over the contextual analysis. All right, have a good day.